Hi guys! I'll be reviewing this Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. This is my first time to use it, so this is a first impression. Okay, I'm a B. Skin Perfecting Primer can be worn alone, under makeup, or on top to create a perfect matte complexion. Controls shine for up to 8 hours. Ultra lightweight formula minimizes the appearance of pores. And it is 30 ml. Ang gagawin ko dito, I'll be applying primer on one side of my face, and then sa kabila is walang primer. So, I can compare kung meron nga ba siyang effect, kung meron ba siyang difference. Alright, I got this from bonmarchpage.com. Lalagay ko yung link down below. I bought this for 450 pesos. Hindi ako sigurado, pero wala akong nakitang Rimmel London sa malls dito sa Pilipinas. Pero ang sure ako, you can get this online. Nothing special naman dun sa kanyang packaging. It's just a tube. Meron twist cap. Tapos, ayan na yung product. So, wala siyang seal. I wanna show you my pores, kung anong itsura niya before. Hi to my pores. Hi, pores! I would like you to meet my pores. Ayan sila. And then the other side, ito. Okay. Maglalagay muna tayo ng konti dito. Kasi hindi ko alam. Uy, it's white. Ayan. Konti lang muna nilagay ko. Oh, it's thick. So, maglalagay muna tayo here. Tingnan natin kung anong effect niya. Okay, so let's see the after. Ito yung after. So, what do you think? Although it sobrang smooth, I think it did good. Kasi kung dito may kita-kita pa yung pores ko. And here, medyo nag-smoothen. It did minimize. Kasi ito, kita-kita pa yung pores ko eh, oh. Yung smell niya, wala siyang smell. Yeah, wala. Totally, wala siyang smell. Sa malayuan naman, yeah, wow. Nag-mattify. Nag-matte yung face ko. Dito makikita niyo yung reflection ng light. Here, almost wala na. I will be applying my makeup on and I will be back. $4.49. So, this is with foundation. Tingnan natin kung meron siyang difference. Ito yung side na wala, okay? Tapos, ito yung side na meron. Well, you really can't tell kasi meron na akong blush on, meron na akong... Can you see the difference? So, this one, mas smooth yung side na may primer, yung kabila. Carry lang. Hindi naman sa nilalait ko yung skin ko, pero mas smooth itong side na to. Ang ginamit kong foundation is this CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous. I like this. I like the finish of this. Pero ang problema ko lang is longevity. Hindi siya ganun ka tagal sa aking face. Nag-oil up ako kagad. So, yan. I wanna test kung magiging okay siya sa akin. It is now 4:51. I will be back after 8 hours kung okay siya sa aking face at kung anong hatol ko sa kanya. It's now 11:10 p.m. Almost 8 hours. Well, wala pang 8 hours. So, let's compare. I have here 2 blotting paper. You see, unang ano pa lang yan There. Ang galing. You see? Based pa lang dito sa blotting paper, makikita niya na mas na-control niya yung oil. So, kung mapapansin nyo, kahit sa photo, okay siya. Makikita nyo talaga yung difference ng may primer at ng wala. Yung side na may primer at yung side na wala. So, I would give this a go. This is really good. Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. I would buy this again. This is 450 pesos. I bought this at bonmarchpage.com. Ilalagay ko yung link down below if you're interested. I really like this. I love this. This is highly recommended. I will recommend this lalo na sa mga oily ang skin. Lalo na ngayon at malapit na yung summer. This is a must-have. That's it for my review. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this review. And see you again next time. Bye! So this is the